At SolarBuddy, we believe that every person around the world should have equal access to both power and education. And so we believe that by bringing STEM education workshops, helping children assemble lights so they can take them home and have light at home, be able to study when the sun goes down, that we're helping empower communities as they lift themselves out of poverty.
Talisay in Cebu also hit hard by Typhoon Tino.
The Cebu City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council has recommended to the Cebu City Council to declare the whole city of Cebu under state of calamity.
Talisay City were being struck by Typhoon Tino last November 4. And then it was so hard. Okay, no electricity, we don't have power supply, we don't have water supply, and also internet connection. So with that, the community itself, the teachers, the learners, we are all victims of typhoon. Homes were flooded, the schools were flooded. And we cannot tap also the help of our community, especially our parents, the LGUs, the barangay officials. It's because all of us were victims of typhoon. I was called by our division schools division superintendent, Dr. Arden Demunisit, and then I thought that it's about our reports to be submitted, and I was so surprised and happy when I heard with our schools division superintendent, Dr. Arden, that our school is being chosen, as the beneficiary of the SolarBuddy. He told me that we will have a online meeting with the executives of the SolarBuddy, and that would happen on the next day. So that was November 20.
SolarBuddy's been working in communities around the world for a little bit over 10 years now. We've helped distribute lights and other solar solutions in about 33 countries around the world. We started distributing lights across the Philippines about 18 months ago. And we've distributed in about 5 or 6 different regions across the Philippines.
I am very excited also to hear that we are chosen as the beneficiary, and then the SolarBuddy is very needed in terms of the learners' needs. Mostly of our learners, out of 1,061 learners, we have 263 learners that were being wiped out or washed out their homes, and they are living in the Domblog gym. No electricity, and then no water supply. So when I hear that we are the one helpful kay namo nga ang SolarBuddy gipili gyud ang eskwelahan, and also with the division of Talisay City, dako kay akong pasalamat kay kami gyud out of the 24 elementary schools of Talisay City Division, kami gyud napilian ni Sir Arden.
Okay, we have a challenge. I have a bucket of lights ready for you to take home. But there's a problem. They're not working. Can anybody think why maybe they are not working? Well, if we can't think why they're not working, what's the best thing we should do? We need to turn on our investigating brain, and I think what we need to do is pull it apart and find out why maybe it's not working. We feel really privileged to have been invited and have the school hosting us here in Tingley, just outside of Cebu City. We know that it has been very challenging over the last few months in Cebu, and especially here in Tingley after the earthquake, and then the typhoon came right through this school where I'm standing right now. The principal tells me that where I am standing now was about waist deep in water. There was mud halfway up all of the classrooms behind me. And so we know that by visiting the school today, by running some STEM education workshops, we're giving back to this community that has been hurting a lot over the last few months. So we're thankful that we've been invited here and to be able to do our part to educate, to open the minds of children so they can think past today, but think to the future, so that one day they will be the future engineers, the future doctors, and the future problem solvers in this community, in the greater Philippines and around the world.
Magamit ni nato kuan kanang during sa kanang kabiing ang ngit-ngit jud kayo nga wise to ga magamit ni nato.
On behalf of Dumlog Elementary School teachers, staff, and administrator, we are very thankful and grateful for this privilege that we have been chosen as the recipient for this project of SolarBuddy, knowing that our school and community have been devastated by the recent Typhoon Tino, and it was not really easy for us, teachers and the students sa among mga nagiano. Until now, some of our students are not yet back at their houses because it has been washed away with the flood. Pero tungod ani nga project, usa ni sa nakahatag og paglaom sa mga estudyante to keep going because there are still many people who are very much willing to lend a helping hand for us.
So this is the first of what I hope will become thousands of STEM education workshops to be run here in the Philippines. We've run this as a pilot and we know that it works. We've seen the smiles on the children's faces today. We've seen their minds open. We've seen the way they've grown in their ability to problem solve and to think and to build things and to create circuits and put things together. We're excited to take this pilot and run many more across the Philippines in years to come. Our next program will be in the north of Luzon, where the second typhoon that hit in November on the islands further north. And so we're looking forward to more children getting a deeper quality education by the end of this year.
To the SolarBuddy team, thank you so much. We are grateful beyond words. Words are not really enough to express our heartfelt gratitude for all of you. You have given hope to our students. You have given light to their dim world. And finally, you have given us the courage and the strength to move on and keep going despite what has happened in our community. Thank you so much, SolarBuddy, and to all of your team members.
Ang pag-charge ani gamit ra ang adlaw.
On behalf of Dumlog Elementary School, teaching and non-teaching, the parents and the learners, I would like to extend my deepest appreciation to SolarBuddy. Thank you so much. No, I really believe that angels, no, are just in a corner. Okay, no, from the different part of the country. Niabot sa Dumlog, no, wala lang damha nga naabot sa Dumlog, tagaan ni so much blessings. So mura siya disguise gani, no, coming referring from one person to another, from Miss Lala referring to us, no, in our division office, from our SDS referring the school. So we are so very happy. Thank you so much, SolarBuddy, for Mr. Daniel, for all the higher officers of the SolarBuddy, the whole team. Thank you so much. And I hope that we could still, no, reach, no, okay, from now on until, so we are so glad nga sa tanan ninyong mga kuan sa life or of this one sa inyong organization kanang tagaan mo good health and then more kanang blessings and then the purpose and the care that you showed, especially sa education. Hopefully, mag-grant kasad ang tanan ninyong wishes. And then you will be blessed with all in God's mighty help.
To our students who have received the SolarBuddy light, please take care of this light because this is not just an ordinary solar light. This is a symbol of love and compassion to service to community. Kay they flew far away para makaabot sa ato ang lugar. Please be careful with this because this is not just a light. This is a memory. This is a symbol of love and service. Ang pingig yun in tawo ninyo.
Thank you, SolarBuddy.
So when times are hard, when typhoons hit or earthquakes, we hope that you will remember the lessons learnt today. The ability to open your mind, to hope for the future, and to solve the problems that are in front of you. We're hoping that by taking home light, you'll be able to do chores and homework and activities at night to make sure that you turn up here tomorrow, that you're at school, you continue to learn and think and strive for the future and what the future can be. You are the future problem solvers for Cebu City, for the Philippines, and for the greater world. You are the next generation and you can change the world.